It's Jason here with Fat Fender Garage, and we have here a radiator that we had designed and custom built for a 73 to 79 Ford F150. And we had it specially designed because, as you know, with a Coyote swap, your inlets and outlet ports are different than the stock factory radiator. The location's a little bit different, and your clearances with your cold air intake and all those, you want to provide as much room as you can. You want it to cool well. So we had this radiator designed. It's made here in the USA. Super quality radiator. Like if you pick this up and lift it, the core is substantial. It's not like a Chinese radiator that is lightweight. It's a very dense core, so it's going to do a really good job cooling. The locations of the inlet and outlet are in the proper spot, and it will make it a lot easier when you're connecting up your Coyote. We also have dual spall fans, pretty good size here, and you also have these little vents here that when you're at idle, you'll get some air that will still blow through here. And so at the end of the day, it will fit perfect. We're going to do a quick little demonstration of how this goes in. Check it out, but it's something we do sell. You can order it from us pretty much right now, and we can get these built and out to you. Probably about a 2 to 3 week lead time is all it takes. And so check it out, watch the video, and let us know what you think. Thanks. So really it's designed to bolt up into the factory bolt locations. It's got 11-inch center to center bolt pattern on it. 2 bolts bolt right in. We've actually had the top modified a little bit so that it fits a little more flush rather than jetting up higher and blocking the view of the Coyote motor. We kept it a little bit lower profile, a little bit cleaner, sleeker look, and so it's pretty much you're like a 5-minute installation on this. Your radiator's in. It's also recessed in further rather than kind of sticking out right here, which occupies a lot of space. It actually is recessed in this little cavity and allows it to sit nice and close to the AC condenser. So it's really a perfect fit. I'm very happy with it, and it's going to make Coyote swaps a lot easier for guys in the 73 to 79. So one of the things you'll notice on installing a Coyote and your radiator is this space right here becomes pretty coveted when you're trying to put a cold air intake. And so you got to turn a 90. And then what we've done is we kind of staggered the fans so that you can kind of come out and just clear this. And rather than having the fan on this side, it actually clears and gives you room where you can kind of tuck in your intake. If you wanted to have a box built here to go into or whatever you want to do, there's room for you to do that on this side. So it works pretty well. If the radiator was right here, you could see you'd have a tight fit. You'd probably need a quick turn, rubber 90, and it wouldn't look quite as cool as an intake that you can come off and have it bent. So just a quick little concept is kind of give you an idea. This doesn't really belong to this truck, but when you put your little rubber boot here, there's ample room for you to install a cold air intake and have it designed to fit in here. So this one. So again, here's another one. Still plenty of room to put that in there. So perfect. Making a cold air intake that actually fits the Coyote motor with this radiator, a perfect fit, and an intake. So be watching for that. You'll be able to purchase that pretty soon from us. And it'll bolt in, and you'll have this part that will go in here. You'll also have another one going in here as well for the smaller bung. So anyways, a lot of cool stuff coming out. Check out the radiator and future parts coming out.